Today, I want to talk to you with a warm heart and a very clear voice because many families are worried right now. Seniors, parents, and people who depend on food support are all feeling confused. So, let me speak to you like a friend slowly and simply and explain what is happening. The title you clicked on says there are major snap cuts starting now, and this message is important for every family that receives help to buy food. I want you to feel calm, supported, and informed because when we understand the news, we can handle it better. Please stay with me from the beginning to the end so you know exactly what is changing and what you should do right away. Right now, many people across the country are feeling a sudden shock because SNAP benefits, which help families buy basic food, have started to go down. These cuts are happening in several states at the same time, and they are making life harder for people who already struggle with high prices in grocery stores. Food costs are still rising, and even small cuts can feel very heavy. I want to explain this in the simplest way so you understand it fully. SNAP is a program that gives families money each month to help them buy food from normal stores. For many people, this support is the only reason they can fill their kitchen. When the amount goes down, it affects the whole family. It affects parents, children, and especially seniors who live on a fixed income. The cuts are happening because some emergency programs have ended, and some states have changed their rules. This means people will see smaller amounts on their EBT cards. Many families who were receiving extra support during difficult times will now see that support removed for someone who is already stretching every dollar. Even if one support program goes down, others can still help keep you stable. Many seniors qualify for extra support because of their age. Some parents qualify because they have young children. The rules are different in every state, but most areas have at least some extra help that you can apply for. If your income has changed in recent months, you should update your information with your local SNAP office. Some families do not know this, but even medical costs for seniors can sometimes help increase SNAP benefits. If you are an older adult and you pay for medicine, doctor visits, or special food, keep your records safe. These costs may help your benefit go up again after review. I know many people are feeling afraid. The word cuts always makes the heart feel heavy. But fear becomes smaller when you understand what is happening. These cuts do not mean benefits are ending. They are simply being reduced in some places because old rules have expired. Many families will still receive support every month. The amount may be smaller, but the help is still there. You do not need to panic. You only need to stay informed and take small steps to adjust. When families work together and stay calm, they can get through difficult seasons. This is a very important moment for seniors because prices are high and income is tight. Please take a moment to plan your month slowly and gently. Think about what foods last longer and cost less. Think about ways to stretch your meals. Many seniors in America have spent their whole lives taking care of their families, and it is okay to receive help now. Programs like SNAP exist to support you, not judge you. You deserve to have food on your table, and you deserve dignity and respect. If you have younger family members who shop for you or help you manage your money, please tell them about the cuts so they can help you plan. It is better when the whole family knows what is happening. Some people feel shy to talk about money, but sharing information helps everyone prepare. It keeps you safe and supported. No one should face this moment alone. This is a time to stay connected with family and community. Many churches, mosques, and community groups also give food support when times are hard. You can reach out to any place you trust. Asking for help is not a weakness. It is a step toward taking care of yourself. As we move forward, remember that these cuts may change again in the future. Programs sometimes adjust based on government decisions and economic conditions. So stay updated. Listen to trusted news. Check your EBT balance each month and keep your documents ready in case you need to update something. When you stay informed, you stay in control. Even when the system changes, you can stay steady by knowing what to expect. I want to thank you for watching this video with patience and strength. You are not alone in this moment. Many families are facing the same challenges and we will get through them together. Please stay safe, stay calm and take care of your health. You matter and your well-being is important. Thank you for spending this time with me. May you always have peace in your home and food on your table. Stay strong and stay safe.